Hey, this is John Grafft, Grafft Real Estate. We're outside of 1445 North State right now, and we're going to show 2106. We are in the heart of the Gold Coast, in the historic district, around all these great mansions, all these great buildings. We're going to go inside and take a look at this unit. Let's do it. So now we're in the lobby at 1445 North State. We have Hassan, our doorman, right here. He's going to take care of the building, take care of everything you need here. Let's do it. A beautiful lobby here. They refinished it a few years ago, decorated everything. I really like how it came out. You have this really nice sitting area here, and it leads right into the elevators there. Plus, you have open windows along this whole way where everyone can see in. I live just a block from here, and I always walk past this and you just look inside. You want to get inside. Come on. So, one thing that's really cool about this building, it's really unique actually just about this elevator. You'll notice the important floors, they stand out. So they're pushed out more. So you have the lobby, and then you have the amenity level, and they're pushed out. Can you see that? Can you show it on the camera? Yeah? Yeah, look at that. So I haven't seen many places like that, but I thought it was pretty cool, so I thought I'd point it out. Okay, so we just got off the elevator. We're just at the end of the hall. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So in most buildings, that means the corner unit, and that's exactly what this is. You're gonna have great views from every single room. We don't have a lot of other buildings obstructing, and our unit's right here, so check it out. So one thing that's really cool about this unit is they have electric locks. So let's say you have a nanny, a cleaning person, Amazon wants to come in and bring the groceries right into your refrigerator, you can do it right here. So they put this code in, and then bam, open it in. So this is 2106 and 1445 North State. We have this great kitchen right here. This was updated recently. You have this beautiful granite countertop. Look at this all the way through. Nice reds, really nice touch. These beautiful cabinets too. Check this out. So these little features. Oh yeah, look at this. You have a drawer on top of a drawer. So the storage is fantastic. And then of course, soft close. You have a push-in stove. So you don't have all those ugly panels and fixtures back here. They slid this right in, which is really nice. You have a single bowl sink right here. It's not too big. You have a garbage disposal, which is really hard to find in a high rise. You have full microwave right here. And then other than that, these really cool garage style doors. These open right up, put things in and out very easily. You have your living room, really great space. Views all the way to downtown, everywhere. You see the Hancock right behind us. My owner spent a lot of money upgrading this unit, and he spent a lot of it right into the bathrooms, the kitchen. So on the lighting, they did all the Legrand light fixtures. So you have these really cool one-touch button light switches. Take a look inside. This is really cool. Check this out. So as you approach this bathroom and you're ready to use the toilet, you just walk in. It's fizzing down, cleaning, getting ready for you. This toilet seat is warm to the touch. Never have to be cold. You have this great floating vanity here, tons of storage inside, and then you have a great backlit mirror. Very cool. Same Legrand fixtures right here. And this shower. The shower is beautiful. Come on right on this side. You have a great storage niche right here, so you can put everything you need. And then on this side, a great handheld and rain shower head above. And I love this light. Look at this light. Look at this light. Look how cool this is. Oh, yeah, look at that. Rings all the way around, and it matches your towel bar here and everything. Look at this. And you have your washer and dryer right here in the bathroom. It's away from the bedrooms, lowers the sound. And then you have these beautiful doors here. Look at this. Frosted glass for privacy, but they're letting in light, so you get more light into the bathroom when you're using it. Okay, so we're entering the master suite now. Still has these really cool doors. Huge, huge master, especially for the Gold Coast. I mean, look at this room. I can just full steps all the way through. It's really huge. Plus, it's a master suite, so you have this nice bathroom right here. Check this out. Very modern. Have the same Japanese style Toto toilets. Wall tank. So the tank for this toilet is behind the wall, and that's what this is right here. So you want to flush it, and then right above it, you have the towel bar. Heated towel bar. Put your towel right here before you come in. Heat it up, great to go. They integrated a lot of great storage right in here as well. You have these really fancy towel bars and towel racks here. Look how nice this is. You have your illuminated mirrors right on this side. A lot of extra storage as well. And these are Roburn, so these are the top of the line mirrors and vanities. Look at this. You have your USB right here, outlet, I mean for soap or towels, everything that you have here. Even this, look at this. It's even on a dimmer. Who has a dimmer in the bathroom? Look at this. Yeah, look at that, it's great. All this light right here. I mean, I feel like we're in the future. It's 2020, but it's like it's 2030. It's all right here. We go inside, look at this. Step up into your shower, huge shower. Shower niches right here, right here. I have this, I have my overhead, I have all the controls right here. And this is a really cool feature because you don't have to get wet to test the water. So you can turn the water on like this. Right. Oh, great water pressure too. And then, okay, that's nice, I'll get in. You can do that all without getting wet. Look, I'm in here in a suit, testing the water, checking the temperature, checking the pressure, and I can walk out and be completely dry. And that's not what you're gonna end up doing, but it's nice not to get burnt when you jump into the shower. Check out these views. Check out these views from the master. Look at this. This is Chicago. This is the Gold Coast. This is why you move here. This is what it's all about. This is why you came. Unobstructed. This view isn't gonna change. They're not gonna tear down all these homes here. These are 100-year-old homes in front of you. That's not going anywhere. Well, can't promise that, but probably not. And then, to finish off the master suite, you have the master closet right here. I mean, I keep going, I'm not hitting a wall yet, but look at all this storage, a ton of it. Custom built, custom designed for this space. This has everything. This has everything you'd ever want inside of it. And like, you know what I like about this? You can see through it, so you have an idea of what's there, and it's letting air go through. They have all these air vents on the side. It's very nice. Really nice closet. Living in the Gold Coast is all about the location. We are right at Burton, we're right at State. There's really nothing that's better than this in the Gold Coast. You can be further south, but it's a little louder. This is the quiet part of the Gold Coast. This is where all the historic mansions are. This is where the original high-rises are. When McCormick came here 100 years ago and all the Chicago people moved from the south side and built their land or built their homes in the land right here in the Gold Coast, this is where it all began, right here in this neighborhood. This is all the old Chicago money, or all the new money coming in, where all the old Chicago money was. So let's see the rest of the building. Let's do it. So you can get your workouts right here in the gym. Don't have to leave the building, but if you do, there's an Equinox about 3 blocks from here. There's an Export a few blocks from here too, but everything is right here if you need it. We have this, we have this. There's exercise balls right over here. There's a whole rack of weights. And there aren't a lot of people here, but I've never seen a lot of people here, so it's a pretty low traffic gym. And they have some great machines over here too. You got a row machine right here if you want it, treadmill, elliptical, everything you need, nothing you don't, pretty straightforward. Let's do it. So I know you were looking for a lending library in your new condo. That's all you were looking for. You looked at it on every amenity list, and that's what you were searching for. You're going through the descriptions. We have it. The lending library you've been looking for, with this great selection of books here. And look, it's in your laundry, which you never have to use, because you have a brand new European style washer and dryer unit inside your building, inside the unit itself. You don't have to use these, but let's say you just forgot about laundry for a month and wanted to do 5 loads at once, you can do that. And hey, if you're snacking or you're a little hungry while you're doing that, they have vending machines. These are the true amenities. You never have to leave. You don't have to go to 7-Eleven. You don't have to go to Potash nearby. You don't have to go to Jewel. You don't have to go to the gas station. You can go to these vending machines and you can get some very unnutritious options for what you want. But it's great. It's right here. It's convenient. It's there. Now, I can't bring you out to this deck right now, but one of the highlights of this building, truthfully, is this right here. It's a great deck. It's very large. You can use it for anything you want when the weather's nice. It's really big. I think they have grills out there. I'm pretty certain, but don't quote me on it. But look at this space. It's really nice, really great to utilize. Okay, so we're in the garage now. One of the really nice options about this building is we have valet parking, plus we have a separate deeded spot where you can park anytime you want. But if you are doing the valet, we have Ozzy right here, our great attendant. He's gonna take care of you every time you come. Thanks, Ozzy. This is 1445 North State, Unit 2106. Really excited to put this on the market. You're seeing it before anyone else is. Come take a look. Give us a call directly. This is John Grafft, Grafft Real Estate at Compass. Thanks. Okay.
If you stay the night, sing your first and last name for the flight.